Thing two is the face of your classroom. So as you can see here, I did a blog and oops, this was when I went into Nicaragua. We did a blog to show the people back home what we were exactly doing and different things like that. But you can do blogs for your students to know what they're doing in classes and also to show their parents what they're doing in classes as well. Moodle is another good way to use grading. You can use online and it'll be digitally uploaded right away. They can post assignments and different things like that. So you can see this is Elma's Moodle. On the left-hand side here, it's got the courses. And then if you go and click into the courses, you'll see at the bottom it'll say grades. And as a teacher, you will be able to see a different view than your students will. Another good website to use is Weebly. I really like Weebly. I think it's a great way to show off yourself, to show off what you want to be, to show off your beliefs, different things like that. So here is an all about me page that I created for my students. Also, you can create a classroom page. So you can do like all about my classroom. I am not currently in a classroom right now, so I obviously don't have one of those. Um, but you can also have your contacts on there and when your assignments are due. Also on the one of the tabs you can see that I have pulled up is children's literature that I created, poetry, recommended books, and multi-genre project, and then a book that I also wrote, so the teacher authored book. So these are some great ways to get your classroom, to promote your classroom. And that is end of thing two.